Today we'll talk about our company, BULLDOZER, to promote the next wave of construction digitization in Saudi. I'm a University of Leeds alumni and ex-project engineer in Saudi Aramco. I started this company, BULLDOZER, with my founding team. There's a huge market potential in Saudi. The growth rate is 3 times higher than the global average. The global average is 2.26%, while here in Saudi, there's 6.85% with the $1.42 billion total addressable market. These are the below here. If you go up, you see this. These are the most popular brand in Saudi. I don't know in Saudi that they are very limited in this brand. They don't have popularity for other brands like in United States, because there's ignorance about the global market. The rising infrastructure and industrial development project in the kingdom is due to the government National Industrial and Development Program. For heavy machinery, as you see, there is a high momentum in the Eastern Province and Tabuk and Jazan. Red Sea Development Project, New Megacity, and Spark. This caused the scarcity of equipment for other parts in Saudi. One of the most pressing problem here in the kingdom is the late delivery of equipment, construction site. Here in BULLDOZER, we will focus on this problem in our seed phase till we reach the product market. So it is the fourth most critical factor of project delays in Saudi. So we are developing a solution to instant request solution and scheduled services solution. We have something like an Uber for construction industry. For mobile compact equipments and even bigger equipments, but after the seed phase. So the solution is a platform and mobile app, analytics solutions to help construction contractors plan their equipment ahead of time and avoid any surprises after the fact. When I worked in Saudi Aramco projects, we have a lot of issues. Contractors don't plan their equipment ahead of the time because equipment service provider have difficulty in forecasting the market demand before activities of the project start. This is our app. This is how it looks like. They have access to a wide variety of equipments and solutions with just a click of a button. Our vision is to be the central hub for construction productivity. We collaborate with our clients' network to make the construction industry leaner, faster, and more efficient. So we have driver management system, equipment management system, and scheduling solutions. Next, just go to the end of the slides to start the question.